Welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. This is what, day 4 or 5 of Vlogmas. The fact that I'm already like losing count and it's not even like, this is just the beginning. Well, we have so much content to create, so much more time to go. Today is gonna be a really chill day. I'm at my friend's house. I'm gonna head back to Brooklyn, and we're gonna go get some Starbucks before I head back to Brooklyn. And then one of myself and Jaden's favorite shows on Netflix, it's like Jurassic World, the animated one. They have a whole new season out, so we're gonna be watching that. I'm gonna be basically chilling with him, getting him ready for school tomorrow. We'll make snacks, have a little movie date in the house, and yeah, I'm gonna share all the like cool little very chilled Sunday vibes. Usually on Sunday I like to prep for the next week, so I'll do a little planning. Oh, I have something to do tomorrow actually that I have to schedule that. I'll be coming back to the city tomorrow. I'll take you guys with me though. And yeah, so I will be taking you guys with me all day and just enjoying the cozy Sunday vibes. So yeah, keep on watching.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Dream a little dream. Now waiting, but I love you. Still crave your kiss. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper that you.
Suggestion that Saturday night, sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
Dream a little dream.
What with it?
That's
I'll hold
okay.
it steady, okay?
It did not feel like anything.
All right, let me help you. Let's shape it up a little bit more like that. Good.
Okay, now to wait to do this. Here.
Thank you.
Is it like a big cookie?
Yeah.
I think this how Auntie made a long time ago. Made the cookie big like that.
All right, so now we got to take this off of it, okay?
And let's make another shape.
We don't have enough cookies. Oops. All right, here we go.
That's the real one. Oh, my cookie.
I'm sorry, it got stuck. Look, let's reshape it. Good job. Like, this is easier because it's supposed to like be a shape, you know?
Okay, let's make another.
All right.
I want to make another shape too.
But then we don't have enough.
But let's make sure.
Jaden had this great idea to roll up them. Can you show them how you did it, baby?
I just rolled it and then did like this and then.
Do it with that one so they can see.
And then so it's gonna be another one.
Put your hand under here so they can see. Good. Nice. It's like the moon, right?
Yeah.
What the heck?
And sorry guys. I just did wrong.
It's okay.
Sorry guys.
A spider. Spiders can climb anything and clickety-click. And they run spidery fast. And they spider
Put your hand right here.
web.
Cute.
I'm going to make.
I think it's that bad one.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. I am going to enjoy the rest of my sandwich. I do have one more scent that I have to make, and Jaden is making a ton of noise in the background, so I'm gonna hurry up. Thank you guys so much for watching. All of the body butters and body polishes that you guys saw me make will be linked in the description box down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Bye. And it will be posted much earlier. Bye. Bye guys.
I'm going to do a big bite.
Okay.
Sorry guys. I don't want to make the video be bad. Sorry.
It's not bad with you in it. It's wonderful with you in it. Okay? Even if you did a crazy bye.